Hey friends, well it is Wednesday, March 1st, and as you can see we got a bunch of fresh snow. I just got done shoveling the walkway for the third time in the last 24 hours, and it's what, 20 degrees. The tractor's warming up, and thankfully, I went out yesterday and I got a 100-pound tank of propane. I think the tank itself cost $229, and then it was $90 to fill it. I had it ready to go in case I had to switch over from the 500-gallon tank. And thankfully, we made it through. The tank is now on zero. Hey, buddy. How's it doing? And they're going to come back today, but I got to get this driveway plowed and sanded. They're going to be here at 1 o'clock today. I got a guy promised he'd come sand between 11 and noon. I just got to get this thing scraped off as good as I can. These snowbanks behind me, 4 feet high or so. That's just from shoveling the walkway. Man, we kind of thought spring was coming early in February when we had that week-long thaw, but she's back. Winter is back. But it's a beautiful day. It's Friday, March 3rd. We did not get rain yesterday as expected. We got another 3 or 4 inches of snow, and it was heavy snow. And then it got a little misty and warm, and everything now is frozen solid. Look at my snowbanks down there, 6-7 feet tall. This one here is over higher than my head. But I had to take the plow off the tractor and put the bucket on so that I could get the driveway scraped down good enough that the propane truck could make it up. And he did, and we've got a full tank of propane, so that crisis is over. Now I have a spare 100-pound tank. So me and Bodie, where are you, Bodie? There he is. Me and Bodie are gonna go get some sand and try to sand this, and then we're gonna try to go for a hike. All right, let's go. Getting in a little leash work. Come on, Bode, this way. He's great. You can see there's slack in the leash. Doing pretty good. Walking along the old Smith River Road, no traffic. Whoa, hey, slow down. There you go. Well, no traffic, no other walkers, so I'd let Bodie off leash for a little bit. It's been really good. This is treacherous walking conditions. Some places like this, it's pretty good, and then you hit a little patch of black ice, and whew. March 4th. And the hits just keep on coming. We're in the middle of a storm that's supposed to drop 14 inches or so. And I don't know, it looks like we've gotten about 6 so far. I'm gonna get out and shovel the walkway. I got a remodeling project that I'm working on. And we went and picked up these fixtures yesterday. New toilet, vanity, shower's already in there. That's not a project I'm going to go into in any detail, but man, can you believe this? I mean, 20 some inches of snow in the last week, and now this thing coming, dumping supposedly 14. Crazy. Well, hey, Bodie. What do you think there, bud? Well, I shoveled off the walkway. There's part of me that wants to fire up the tractor and start clearing this now before it gets too deep. But I mean, as you can see, These snowbanks are almost 8 feet high. I had to put the bucket on the tractor, take the plow off to scrape down that last big snow that we got so that the propane truck could get up. But I'm also running out of places to put snow, so I put the bucket on and pushed everything way back. So what do you think there, buddy boy? I'm gonna go in and paint and tile. We'll leave this for later. Don't eat yellow snow, bud. All right, let's get back in the house and work on my remodeling project. All right, well, it's still coming down a little bit, but it's mostly done. Looks like we got about 10 inches. According to the weather rate, well, maybe a little bit more than that. According to the weather radar, should be completely done. I gotta get moving it. The first pass. She's digging in. The driveway's a little bit soft. Snowbank's gonna be 8 feet high. Much snow in front, it's almost impossible to steer. All right, well, I got the driveway cleaned off and it didn't push too bad. Dug up a little of the ledge pack on the driveway because it was starting to get soft, but as you can see behind me, I mean, this snowbank is 8 feet high, and the one over there by the house is equally as high, and geez, that one. Yeah, a lot of snow. Now, this ain't nothing like California's seeing. I mean, those people are just getting feet upon feet of snow. But they ought to look at that as a godsend because the reservoirs out west have been dry for a long time. And this year's snowpack is going to fill them up. Thanks for coming along, people. We'll see you next time. Peace.